the truck's incredible sharp turn maneuver. Massive logs are shredded into pieces in just seconds. Just look at this logging truck moving through. There must be an incredibly skilled driver behind the wheel. A narrow, fragile bridge combined with a sharp turn, yet he still manages to guide the massive logging truck across safely. Give this driver some praise by commenting 1. Using human strength alone would be incredibly inefficient. Watch this machine split logs with ease. The Petzolato uses a high-powered hydraulic system with over 200 HP to crush and split thick logs into sections within just seconds. The massive splitting force tears apart huge logs, while the grapple attachment helps lift and move the wood out of the way. Right in front of you is an incredibly advanced tree cutting machine. The machine is equipped with a powerful tree cutting grapple, featuring immense gripping force and razor-sharp cutting blades. It slices through massive tree trunks in just moments. Transporting logs has never been an easy job. Just look at this truck. It slowly navigates through dangerous, sharp turns where danger is waiting at every moment. When it comes to dealing with stubborn tree stumps, the Rayco 1625 Super JR is impossible to ignore. The Rayco Super JR 1625 uses an engine producing nearly 25 HP along with a high-speed grinding wheel to tear apart tough stumps buried deep underground after logging operations. Its cutting wheel spins continuously at high speed, grinding layer after layer of wood into fine mulch. An unexpected accident. Even though the Hino truck is equipped with a diesel engine producing over 500 HP, the extreme overload causes the machine to fail on the spot. Thick smoke starts pouring out everywhere. The situation is completely out of control now. Real masters behind the wheel, an incredible downhill turning maneuver. This logging truck is hauling timber down from the mountains, forced to pass through dangerous winding roads. Just look at the massive load of logs on the trailer to see how enormous and difficult it is to handle, yet the driver carefully steers through every sharp turn. The giant wood-crushing machine begins to shake as the engine roars loudly. The Woodpecker RP300 uses a high-speed grinding rotor and a diesel engine producing over 300 HP to crush tons of tree trunks. Its conveyor system continuously feeds logs into the crushing chamber, where massive steel hammers spin at extreme speed and smash the wood into pieces. Subscribe now to witness even more incredible logging machines in action. Just a compact chainsaw like this can bring down massive ancient trees. The chainsaw uses a steel cutting chain spinning at over 20 meters per second to slice through huge tree trunks measuring dozens of inches in diameter. The lumberjack hangs high above the ground on the treetop, using the small but highly practical chainsaw with incredible precision. If you still doubt the power of that chainsaw, just watch this next clip. The logger is holding only a single saw in his hands, but with 5 HP of power, the blade spins aggressively and cuts through the tree trunk in no time. Sawdust keeps flying everywhere as the tree finally comes crashing down. Built to clear dense brush and restore natural forest, the Vermeer wood grinder weighs over 40,000 pounds and uses a diesel engine, producing nearly 700 HP. It crushes and processes thousands of branches and massive tree trunks deep inside thick forest terrain. A firewood processing machine beyond expectations. This automatic log splitter uses a hydraulic engine producing over 25 HP to drive a heavy steel splitting blade straight through massive logs weighing hundreds of pounds in just a few short seconds. A massive tree brought down in moments. This is how professional loggers cut down giant trees using a compact chainsaw. Once the cut passes halfway through the trunk, the worker uses a large hammer to drive steel wedges into the wood, forcing the tree to fall in the exact direction he wants. Wow, an impressive log collection machine. The Tatra Phoenix is equipped with a diesel engine producing over 430 HP and a powerful 8x8 drivetrain using a hydraulic grapple crane to lift tree trunks measuring dozens of feet long onto the truck bed. Comment 1 if you like this machine. The giant wood-crushing steel beast begins roaring across the sawdust-covered workyard. The Vermeer WC2300XL weighs over 60,000 pounds and uses a diesel engine producing nearly 800 HP to shred massive tree trunks into thousands of small wood chips. Its conveyor system continuously feeds logs into the enormous crushing chamber, while the high-speed grinding drum spins with tremendous force, sending wood fragments flying everywhere. Subscribe now to watch even more unbelievable and extreme chainsaw accident moments.